Hey guys, this is how you feed a baby bird. I found this blue jay outside. Guess he fell out of the nest. And I brought him in and I was just gonna feed him, and this is what you need to have ready. I boiled an egg and I got the yolk, kind of crumbled it up, and also a bottle of water with a clear straw because you want to give him something to eat and also some water. So they're pretty much not gonna eat on their own unless they get used to you. And I just found him today, so I'm just gonna grab a little bit of water. And I'll wait till, and if he doesn't open his mouth, you can open his mouth for him. I'll give him one more. Just a little bit. You can see. I'll just give him a little bit. You can open their mouth for him. It's not going to hurt them. Then I'll give him something to eat. And you want to do it every 2 hours or so. And I'll put him back.